In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic messages in Airbnb. Whether you're a seasoned host or just getting started, automating your messages can save you time and ensure smooth communication with your guests. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Airbnb account. Once you're signed in, the next step is to switch from your standard view to your hosting dashboard. This can be easily done by clicking on Switch to Hosting. From here, you'll instantly gain access to the features and tools specifically designed for managing your listings and interacting with your guests. With your hosting view active, your next stop is the Messages section. Click on this, and you'll notice a small gear icon which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is your gateway to customizing how you communicate with your guests. Once you're in the settings, select Manage Quick Replies. Here you'll find a variety of default automatic replies that Airbnb has set up for you. These include messages for after departure, after the first night, before check-in, before check-out, and several more. These templates are a great starting point, but you might want to add your personal touch or specific information that applies to your listing. If the default messages don't suit your needs, you have the freedom to create your own custom messages. Simply start by giving your message template a name that you will easily remember and recognize later. The name is just for your reference and won't be seen by your guests. Next, compose the actual message you want to send to guests. Think about the details you typically like to share, such as check-in instructions, house rules, or local recommendations. Feel free to be as detailed or as brief as you like, depending on what you find most effective. Additionally, if you manage multiple listings, Airbnb allows you to tailor messages to each specific property. Just add the relevant listing details to ensure your messages are contextually appropriate. Furthermore, you can schedule when these automated messages will be delivered. Set up schedules that align with key guest milestones, such as booking confirmations or arrival dates, to ensure timely reminders. Once you're satisfied with the message you've crafted and all the settings are in place, simply click Save. And there you have it. Your automatic message is all set up and ready to go. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to more efficient guest communication. Don't forget to explore around for more customization options that might suit your unique hosting style. And as always, if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy hosting!